Hey, welcome back to Cooking with Chef Puff. All right, today we're going to be making baked salmon. Very simplified recipe. I mean, it's really that easy. All right, it's going to take 7 ingredients, okay? Well, 8 ingredients, including the salmon. So, what we have, I have olive oil, I have basil, I have parsley, salt and pepper, lemon juice, and garlic. All the measurements will be in the description of the video. All right. So I'm going to get these into this pan right here, this pot, and I'm going to start mixing. So y'all guys stay tuned. All right. I done added all the ingredients to this stainless steel pot here and just going to give it a nice mix. Yeah, but remember, taste along the way. All right. Because you want to make sure you have the right amount of salt, the right amount of pepper, and just give it a taste. Oh, this is delicious. This is really, really good. It's going to compliment the salmon. All right. So what I'm going to have to do now is that I'm going to get my salmon washed and dried, pat dry, and get them ready to be marinated. All right. So without further ado, let's get these salmon and you guys, I'll be right back. All right. Now it's time to get these beautiful salmon fillets marinated. So what I'm going to do is that I'm just going to take them very gently and place them into the bowl. Excuse me, I'm so sorry. What I want to do, I want to put a base down. Let me get a spoon. Alright, give me a spoon. Alright, give it a nice mix to marinate. Let me get a base down here. Let's get a nice, good base down. Let's get it all spread around and down in here. All right, got that. That's all said and done. Now we take our salmon fillets and lay it on top of the marinade. All right. Now, with the rest of the marinade, I am going to pour it right on top. Right on top. And you're going to use it all. Oh yeah. Oh, this is going to be so delicious. The rest out. There we are. Should I get all my marinade out of there? Okay, so what I'm going to do with this now, I'm going to cover this with some plastic wrap and place it into the refrigerator for about an hour. But every 30 minutes, until that hour is up, I'm going to take it out and I'm going to flip them. All right? So, without further ado, let me get these in the refrigerator and I'll be right back. All right, this salmon has been in the refrigerator marinating for about a half an hour. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to flip them over. Just take your time, be gentle with them. They are fragile. Get them flipped over. All right, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to place them back into the refrigerator for another 30 minutes, another half an hour. All right, and let them continue to marinate. And when this 30 minutes is up, we're going to start baking these. Okay, so the salmon has been marinating for basically an hour. Okay, I did flip them halfway through the time, so we're good to go. All right, so now what I'm going to do now, very simple. I'm going to take one of these salmons, put them on this aluminum foil. Okay. I'm gonna need a spoon for this process here. All right. And I'm gonna get me some of this marinade in here. I think that should be about enough right there. All right. And now I am going to wrap this salmon. I'm not going to wrap them tight, but I do want to seal them. Into a small little package. All right. And a small little package. And let me get them placed onto this cookie sheet. All right, I'm going to do one more. This piece of salmon. I also got my oven preheating to 375 degrees. All right, so get this out of the way. Need some oil down here. Right. Once again, give this one a nice little wrap up. All right. Nice little package here, and put it onto the cookie sheet. All right, these are going to go into a preheated oven at 375 degrees between 30 and 45 minutes. So when that time is up, I'll be right back. All right, I told you I had a little surprise for you. For these salmon, what I'm going to do, I'm going to make a honey butter. Okay, very simple, very easy to complement these salmons. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I got some softened butter here. Take 2 tablespoons of softened butter. All right, let me get the butter out of the way. Now, I'm going to take about 2 tablespoons of honey. There we go. And all you have to do is just give it a good mix. There's nothing better than saltiness. By the way, this is salted butter. And honey. Now, right before you serve, I would pop this in the microwave for a couple of seconds to melt it so you could drizzle it on top of your salmon. Give it a little taste here. And that is delicious. Oh boy. All right. So that was my secret surprise there. So the salmon's in the 375 degree oven, and she's going to cook for about 45 minutes. So y'all guys, I'll be right back. All right. The salmon is all done. Came out beautifully. All right. I add a little bit of asparagus to it too. Now I'm going to top it off with this honey butter. All right. You don't need much. Yeah, that looks so nice. That looks so nice. It's gonna taste nice too. Now, it's time. Proof is in the pudding here. Oh yes. Oh yes. Ladies and gentlemen, this is very delicious. Very delicious. I can't say no more about it, but it is very delicious, very flaky, very moist. And with this butter sauce, excuse me, this honey butter, it brings it over the top. Really, really good. Man, just a little bit more to it. There we go. Between the saltiness and the sweetness, it's just delicious. All right, If you like this video, give me thumbs up, subscribe, ring that bell. Tell your friends and family about cooking with Chef Puff, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!